So after deciding to not use Unity for the Ludum Dare 54 game jam for some reason, I instead was going to give Godot another try. I've used it before for a Mrs. game jam, but it really didn't click for me. To prepare myself, I followed this course by course quest and refreshed myself on the basics of Godot. This is what I came up with in about 3 to 4 hours. So after relearning the basics, I started to realize the appeal of Godot. As I drove to calculus class the next day, I thought up an interesting way to test my Godot abilities and prepare for Ludum Dare. I decided I would make a top-down shooter in 2 hours using Godot. I made this list of features so I wouldn't get distracted. When I got home, I booted up Godot, made a new project, and began. I built out the menu first, then got enemies to spawn. I don't get it. Got the player to move. Completely backwards. Up and down or backwards? Oh yeah, because it's... That's what I want. Try that. What? Then I tried to get the player to shoot. Heyo! It almost works. Okay, it's just not even moving. Okay, now that works. He works. Gotta rotate them toward action. Oh, that's what I want. That's easy. Screen position. Huh? Rotation. Oh, it actually works. Whoa. Okay, that's it. I just decided to make the bullet square. Okay, Heyo. Now I'm trying to add interesting enemy movement using trigonometric functions. It's weird. Let's just do times 0. Instead of fixing it, I added art. I added a level. I drew a player. I drew an enemy. Knockback. Like what? Yeah, like what? Did not fix that. And doors for some reason. Maybe like this. I added health and game over. Quick. And that was time. Holy cow. Oh, I did take 5 extra minutes to add an enemy's killed counter so that the game has an actual goal. Okay, nothing too fancy, just so that we actually have a goal. 7. I think it's the complete game now. So I was sure I went 5 minutes over, but I was only to add the enemy's counter, so otherwise we would have no goal. I thought this was going to be so much easier. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my 2-hour exertion with Godot. I learned a lot, and I'm still amazed at the speed of development. There are quirks with this engine, I know, but I will definitely be using it in the future. Don't forget to comment your thoughts, and thanks for watching. I'll see you around.